Legal Talk, brought to you by the Cochran Firm and WTVY.
Hello and welcome to Legal Talk. I'm Andrew Finley and I'm talking today to McDavid Flowers of the Cochran Firm here in Dothan. And McDavid, what should a person do if they get pulled over by the police?
Well, a traffic stop is a very stressful situation. It's stressful for the person that's been pulled over, but it's also stressful for the police officer. So some of the big things are communication, and then comply with any lawful order that the law enforcement officer gives you. Be kind, be courteous. If you think that you should not have been pulled over, the time to argue about that is in court, not on the side of the road. Now, if you have a gun in the car, it sort of changes the situation a little bit. If you're in possession of a firearm in your vehicle and you've been pulled over and you're on the side of the road, my advice is to keep your hands on the steering wheel at the 10 and 2 position. Have your window rolled down as the police officer approaches. The officer will ask you for the normal stuff, your driver's license, insurance information, and registration. At that point, you should inform the law enforcement officer that you have a firearm in your car and tell him where it is. Say it's either on my hip, it's in the glove box, wherever. And then ask him how you should proceed. Then the law enforcement officer will tell you what he wants to do. At that point, everybody should be comfortable and feel safe. So the key is communication, be courteous, follow any lawful order. Then later on, if you disagree with the reason you were pulled over, argue about it in court, not on the side of the road.
All right, thanks very much, McDavid Flowers with the Cochran Firm here in Dothan. And if you've got a legal question, be sure to call the Cochran Firm at 673-1555.
Legal Talk, brought to you by the Cochran Firm and WTVY.